The Earth is filled with such mysterious and strange places that sometimes it's hard for us to believe. In some locations, nature appears as if it's straight out of a fantastic film, while others raise questions that even science cannot find answers for. Today, I will show you the 10 most unusual places in the world. Which one would you visit in the end? Let me know in the comment section.
Number 10 is Pamukkale, located in Turkey. The name Pamukkale itself, in the Turkish language, translates to cotton castle. This truly wondrous and unique site is situated in the city of Denizli, Turkey.
The white terrace rocks give the impression of floating above the clouds. This beauty was created by calcium carbonate from the water of hot thermal springs, which settled on the rocks over time. This process continued for thousands of years, resulting in the formation of this white mountain. What's interesting is that this water is also believed to possess therapeutic qualities. The ancient Romans in fact utilized this very spot as a luxurious spa. Pamukkale is officially recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and consequently every single year hundreds of thousands of tourists flock to visit this magnificent cotton palace. The Catacombs, Paris, France. Paris, the city of love and lights. However, beneath this beautiful city, quite the opposite. A vast city of death truly resides. The catacombs were constructed during the 18th century because the existing cemeteries in Paris had become entirely overcrowded. Millions of human remains were eventually transported into these vast underground labyrinths. The bones of approximately over 6 million individuals are now meticulously and carefully arranged there. Perhaps the most peculiar aspect is that some of these passages are intricately decorated with human skulls and they seem to be staring directly at you. The total length of these tunnels extends for approximately 300 kilometers, but only a very small section is currently accessible to visitors. Some areas, however, remain strictly forbidden, as many individuals have unfortunately gone missing within their depths. The Paris catacombs are both incredibly terrifying and historically unparalleled in their unique nature. Aokigahara Forest, Japan. The Aokigahara Forest, situated at the base of Mount Fuji, is widely recognized as one of Japan's most profoundly silent and truly terrifying places. The forest is so incredibly dense that even the sound of the wind cannot be heard within. This particular location is widely known as the Suicide Forest because over the years, a great many individuals have tragically chosen to end their lives here. The Japanese government has therefore placed special warning signs throughout the forest. Please consider, your life is precious. According to legends, spirits roam this forest. Scientifically, the magnetic anomalies here cause compasses to malfunction. It's both mysterious and profoundly meaningful. It's as if nature itself whispers a silent philosophy. 7. Nazca Lines, Peru. These enormous lines, etched into the Nazca Desert, have guarded their mystery for millennia. They are far more than mere lines. They are colossal figures meticulously drawn in the desert sand, depicting animals, birds, human-like forms, and even intricate symbols linked to the cosmos. Some of these remarkable geoglyphs stretch over 200 meters in length, becoming fully discernible only from an aerial perspective. The most profound and enduring mystery, however, remains who created them and for what purpose. The most prominent theory suggests that the Nazca people created these as messages intended for their gods, to be seen from the sky. However, some individuals connect them with extraterrestrial beings. From a scientific perspective, these intricate figures were meticulously etched into a unique layer of soil, specifically designed to shield them from the erosive forces of wind and rain. This clearly indicates that the ancient inhabitants were true specialists in this particular craft. Number 6. Next up is Salar de Uyuni, located in Bolivia. It is known as the world's largest salt flat. The vast area of Salar de Uyuni spans over 10,000 square kilometers, which means it is large enough to cover the entire city of Baku more than 50 times. This incredible location sits at an elevation of 3,600 meters above sea level. The most incredible moment, however, arrives after the rain. A thin layer of water forms on the desert surface, and the desert transforms into a mirror. It's as if the sky descends to the earth and you are walking on the clouds. NASA utilizes this location for calibrating its satellites. It's used for precise measurements. The surface is so flat, the error is just a few millimeters. It's also a paradise for photographers. 5th, Socotra Island, Yemen. If aliens were to come to Earth and make it their home, they would most likely choose to reside on Socotra Island. This unique island is situated in the vast Indian Ocean, and its natural environment is astonishingly distinct. It boasts more than 700 distinct species of plants. Two-thirds of these species are found nowhere else in the entire world. The most famous of these is the dragon blood tree. Its trunk grows upside down and its branches spread out like an umbrella. A red-colored liquid flows from its interior. Its population is very sparse, and the island is included on UNESCO's World Heritage List. Here, time seems to have stopped, and nature preserves its ancient appearance. 4.
At Chernobyl, Ukraine. In 1986, a catastrophic explosion occurred at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant, and as a direct consequence, the entire city of Pripyat was completely evacuated. Today, no human life remains there.
But this exclusion zone has, over time, been reclaimed by nature. Trees now grow out of buildings and animals roam freely. Some have even adapted to the radioactive environment. The only living creatures found here were wild wolves, birds, and even horses. Scientists call this place an ecological paradox. Nature has been reborn in the very place that brought death. It is a location that is both terrifying and incredibly fascinating. Number 3. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the Atlantic Ocean, situated between Florida, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. In this mysterious area, numerous ships and aircraft have vanished without a trace. Over 100 such incidents have been officially recorded since the mid-20th century. Some researchers attempt to explain these disappearances by citing severe sea storms, unusual shifts in magnetic fields, or sudden releases of methane gas from the seabed. But many incidents remain completely unexplained even from a scientific standpoint. Some researchers report that here, compasses point in strange directions and signals frequently disappear. So this area is still the greatest mystery of the seas. Second, Antelope Canyon. Antelope Canyon, located in the vast Arizona desert of the United States, is truly a magnificent work of art, sculpted by nature's own intricate design. Over countless millennia, the relentless forces of wind and water have sculpted the rocks, transforming them into mesmerizing, undulating forms. And the sun's ethereal rays, as they gracefully descend and penetrate deep within these rock formations, conjure up an enchanting, dynamic interplay of vibrant colors inside. Orange, crimson, and violet hues appear to pour directly from an artist's palette. This sacred location is considered a holy ground by the Navajo people. They firmly believe that this canyon serves as a dwelling place for ancient spirits. Thousands of dedicated photographers visit this site every single year, because with each passing minute, the shifting sunbeams create a completely different visual image. As you can see, our planet Earth never ceases to amaze us. Sometimes nature creates such incredible beauties and mysteries that the human mind can't even fully grasp them. So, which of these magnificent places would you like to visit? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay informed about these kinds of secrets. We'll see you in the next video.